So over here you can see that I have this particular page with different types of processes. And let's say I want to actually know this in simple language. So in order to do that, you can simply use Claude. So you can copy out the page, or you can upload out any content that you may have as well. You can simply go ahead and paste this, and you can say whatever you see in this page, explain it to me in simple language right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and type that in and hit next right here, then what happens is that it'll fetch out the information from that page. And it says here is the breakdown of what is in the Wikipedia page. And you can see that it's much more simpler than what you actually see right here. So you can see that if you want to simplify out some information, then you can go ahead and then view it out right here. What you can also do is change the format of the information. Like you can say like, tell this to me as a funny joke I can use in classroom right here. So let's say you want to go ahead and then use it as a joke. Then what happens is that it'll go ahead and convert this out. So you can see it says the AMD Ryzen family, AMD Ryzen processor are like students in a classroom. Ryzen 3 is the student who just remembered there was the test today. Ryzen 5 is the average student. Ryzen 7 is the overachiever. Ryzen 9 is the student who finishes the exam, and so forth. So you can basically see that it actually goes ahead and converts out the information in the format that you actually want right here, and it is using the classroom example itself. So that is basically how you can go ahead and generate out the information in other formats by feeding it a format right here in Claude. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe